What up, mains? This is going to be a pretty quick one. Not a whole lot going on. Didn't go to any auctions today or anything like that. There wasn't anything I felt like I super needed, but I did go and drive around and take Ava with me. She insisted that she needed to come with me, actually. I didn't have a choice. There we go. Found us some trees, Miss Ava. Should have some shade. I remember us sliding off the road right here into this person's yard when Brett Farrell armor-alled the tires on his Dodge. Right there. Pretty cool, huh? That's a long ass time ago. Because I'm trying to put 1,000 miles on my new clutch. It has become kind of imperative now because I actually went ahead and ordered the hot side for my turbo setup. I ended up going with the Kraken. 96% so I can scream, "Release the Kraken!" whenever I floor it, because that seems like a reasonable thing to do. Honestly, I just really like the cast manifold. So I went with their entire hot side kit. It's the cast manifold set up for a Garrett T2, the 5-bolt flange, turbine outlet, 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch high flow cat, and then 3-inch exhaust. So that's basically everything on the hot side of the turbo all the way back. I'm still waiting on Bofi Racing to ship my Mega Squirt, and assuming they ever do, I'm gonna go ahead and order a GT 2560R and the Bofi Racing intercooler with blow-off valve. And I think that should basically put me at like ready to roll. My my Flow Force 640 shipped today, so that's pretty cool. I have some big old injectors as soon as I have an ECU that can actually run them, so that'll be rad. So basically it looks like, you know, pretty much just waiting on stuff to ship, and then I'll start, I'm gonna start by installing the Mega Squirt, getting like just a half-ass decent bass tune, just basically make it idle because there's really no point in spending any time tuning it and, you know, then immediately changing the injectors and then immediately putting a turbo on it. So I'm gonna just like get that installed, get my wideband installed, get my boost gauge installed. As long as there's no issues with that, I'm gonna just immediately start taking stuff apart and put the turbo on. I'm ready for boost. It's time. It's time, bitches. Stop being an idiot. No, I've finished this video. That's basically it. You know, pretty much just the waiting game now. Whenever parts start shipping to me, I will start making some videos of, I plan to detail the Mega Squirt install and the AEM wideband install, and which, you know, we'll go with the Mega Squirt. And then the whole turbo install, and then, you know, my tuning voyage. Hopefully it won't be too rough of one. I've also got, I've been thinking about a roll bar, and I've actually got a Hard Dog Sport, I don't know, double diagonals that I have in my NA. That's probably gonna pretty much end up being a parts car because I'm taking the hard top off of it too. If the turbo parts take a while to ship, I might go ahead and grab that roll bar out of the NA and go ahead and put it in the NB. And definitely gonna take the hard top off the NA and put it on the NB. So that's some cool stuff going on. And then I've got a tiny amount of body work to do, but like for now, I think I'm pretty much just gonna focus on the turbo. I think I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get some boost going on first. All the other bullshit can wait, right? All right, later.